Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Dow Jones 30 and the Nasdaq 100. But let's get started with today's video. We currently have the S&P 500 trading at 4,515. So we're still comfortably trading above 4,500, which is important here. I think if I just take you to a 2-hour time frame, I think what's playing out here is a 5-wave structure. It's an Elliott wave structure, of course. We've had a nice second to third phase, and I think we are now in the process of forming this fourth to fifth wave, which will probably take us up towards 4,550. I think from this Friday onwards we are likely to see a correction in this market. I do believe that we are likely to see maybe perhaps a 2.5 to 5% correction. It doesn't have to be anything significant. If we were to fall, let's say 5% from 4,500, where does that take you? It takes you only back down towards 4,330. So not far at all if you think of it that way. So, this market has been trading aggressively higher for the past couple of months now. And I don't think it takes a genius to understand that you can't just continue up as steep as that. You do have to have some push and pull. And I think that some give back is going to be necessary in order for this market to continue in the second half. 4,550 is very significant due to the fact it represents the 0.786 fib area from this peak to trough fib chart that I've drawn from the 2022 bear market. So things are healthy, things are still trading very nicely towards the upside, but I think as we go into some seasonal weak periods, which of course is August all the way through till September, and October isn't great either. That's when you are likely to see some digestion and some money being taken off the table. Moving over to the Nasdaq 100, very similar to the S&P 500, but the only difference is that we've already broken above the 0.786 fib area. So let's say if we were to see a 5% pullback here, where does that take us to? It takes us pretty much, well, not even towards a 50-day EMA, pretty much to the lows that we formed last week, around 14,900. So not much at all. So again, I think that we could easily see a 5% correction in the coming month or two, and it wouldn't really do much damage at all. We would still be trading within this uptrend. I think it's important that the Nasdaq 100 continues to trade within this uptrend, but if we were to go and test this line, we could in theory trade all the way down to 14,277, and we would still be in an uptrend. So just from a percentage perspective, that's a 10% correction that we could kind of tolerate here and still be deemed to be trading within an uptrend. So it just shows you how far this market has come in such a short period of time. But I do believe the second half is still going to be very strong for the Nasdaq 100 and the rest of the market once we've got August and October and of course the month of September out of the way. But let's just quickly move over to the Dow Jones 30. Now this market continues to hold the key in my own humble opinion. We've been trading, this head and shoulders, this inverted head and shoulders pattern, I should say, for the past couple of months. And we're about to break out here, in my own humble opinion. Here is a neckline that we've been trading in. And if we can take out this neckline, I think that then opens up the door to a rally up towards 35,200. So I think that this will arise within the next couple of weeks. I think once we see some strength kind of calm down over in the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 as profits are taken in some of the high flyers, I think that you will see this money get traded into more of the value names, and we could see the Dow Jones 30 pop up towards 35,200. That's going to be it for today's video. I think, just to conclude with one message, it would be caution. I think that if you're going to take profits, if you're, trading within nice profits, and I think that this week is a week when you want to take them ahead of some seasonality weakness that's due to occur. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Don't forget, if you'd like to join my free Signal group and as well as receive my free daily market research, which I post on that group, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website. It takes literally 10 seconds to sign up. So yeah, make sure you scan that QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up. It takes 10 seconds. It's completely free of charge, and I look forward to welcoming you all over on Telegram.